In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calendar in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can clean up extra or outdated calendars with confidence. First, open your browser and head to Google. This is a simple way to get to the right place without typing a long address. In the search box, type Outlook. You're looking for the official Microsoft Outlook site in the search results. Click the Outlook website to open the web version of Outlook. These instructions focus on Outlook in a browser, which has a slightly different layout than the desktop app. So following along here will keep things consistent. Once Outlook loads, look to the left sidebar. Find and click the calendar icon. That switches you from Mail to Calendar view, where all your calendars and events live. If your sidebar is minimized, hover over it or expand it so you can see the calendar option clearly. Now, locate the specific calendar you want to remove in the left panel. You'll see a list of calendars such as your default calendar, shared calendars, and any additional ones you created or subscribed to. Hover over the calendar's name and click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Options. This opens the menu for that individual calendar. Take a moment here to double-check you've selected the correct calendar. Removing the wrong one can be frustrating, especially if it contains important events. From that menu, click Remove. Outlook uses the word remove because, depending on the calendar type, you're either deleting a calendar you own or unsubscribing from a calendar that's shared or imported. Either way, it takes the calendar out of your view and removes its events from your agenda. If you're trying to remove your primary default calendar, keep in mind that Outlook may not allow that, but additional calendars you created or subscribed to can be removed. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure this is what you want. Click Remove again to confirm. After you confirm, the calendar disappears from the list, and its events will no longer appear on your schedule. If you don't see it vanish right away, give the page a moment to refresh. And that's it. You navigated to Outlook, opened your calendar, used the three-dot menu next to the calendar you want to remove, clicked Remove, and confirmed the action. This quick cleanup helps keep your calendar list focused and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to follow along with these same steps anytime you need to tidy up your calendars.